Konnichiwa, I'm Mireille. Today I'm at Gotokuji Station and today I like to go to visit a place called Gotokuji Temple. Gotokuji Temple is said to be the birthplace of the lucky cat. Meow. So, are you ready? Let's go! Arrived at Gotokuji Temple. The area is so green that it is hard to believe that it's Tokyo. You can purchase a lucky cat at this awarding office. I bought the tiniest lucky cat. You may take your lucky cat home with you or place it in the building where the lucky cats are enshrined with your wish. Finally, I'd like to go to the lucky cat place. If you look closely, you can find hidden cats in various places, so it is interesting to look for them too. May your wishes come true! There are so many lucky cats. Now let's continue on to Setagaya Hachiman Shrine. Let's go! We arrived! According to the sign, this is called Chinowa Kuguri, or passing through the Kogon grass ring. If we walk like the picture, it is said to purify the body and soul and drive out bad luck. I tried it too! Did I do it well? There is a hand-watering fountain on the left as soon as you go up the stairs. Purify ourselves before worship according to the instruction. Hey, there are small wrestling. As one of the three major sumo tournaments in the Edo period, dedication sumo wrestling was held here. Even today, sumo wrestling by the Sumo Club of Tokyo University of Agriculture is held here every September. Look at these stones! In the Edo period, sumo wrestlers from all over Japan lifted this stone to test their skills. The stone in the center said 48 kan, which is equivalent to 180 kilograms. Wow, that's a lot of power! Finally, I get a goshuin. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked, please thumbs up and see you at the next station. Bye! またね